Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Rui here. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I have a bag unboxing and I'm going to give you my first impressions now, and I'll come back after I had a chance to use the bag to tell you how I feel about it. So the bag is from RSVP. I don't know if you can read it, but they're a contemporary luxury, like mid-range priced brand based in Paris. And they reached out to me, asked me if any of their bags on their website caught my eye and if I would like to try any of them out. And I just thought it would be the perfect opportunity to try out a mid-range luxury brand, because in my previous video I had just been telling you guys how done I am with like so many of the brands, the luxury brands and their bags. They just feel like overdone, they just feel ubiquitous. I feel like every brand is copying each other. Wink wink, Prada copying the Row right now. And I'm just bored, and I was thinking that contemporary brands kind of like have this freedom to kind of go outside the box, test different styles, test different shapes and silhouettes for a reasonable price range while still having really good quality materials. They actually had a pop-up in Tokyo when I was there this spring, so I knew of the brand already, and I know they have like 1 or 2 stores in Korea and 1 flagship store in Paris. So I was really interested in trying it out, especially because I knew the consumer base kind of like tends towards East Asians and their taste, and that's like the perfect kind of taste for me as well. So I agreed. At first I really wanted this bag here. I just think it's so cute. It's a really huge, like a huge bag in a hobo style, and it looked amazing. But in the end, I decided to try out a more classic design, actually one of their most classic designs. Let's just get straight into it. First of all, I'm gonna give you my honest opinions. I'm not obligated to give you a positive review of this brand. It's going to be like totally honest. Here's how it looks. And here is my purse that I chose. This is called the Golden Eyes bag in version 2, and it does come with a strap. I'll put it on in a second, but you do have the choice of carrying it like a clutch, which I don't have any clutches, so that's why I chose this bag, because of the versatility. So here's how it looks. I think it's really cute. It's like just like a super classic shoulder bag design, and this would be perfect when you're traveling and you're worried about carrying like super branded items, because it's very quiet, but it is like a really nice design, so it can match with a lot of your outfits. So I'm gonna wear this bag and I'll come back in a few days to share my thoughts. Yeah, so see you soon. So I've had like a lot of time to test it out. Actually, I've been using this bag every single time I need to go out or I'm going somewhere. I pick this one so I can use it and get a feel for how I like to use it. The exterior of the Golden Eyes bag is made in Spanish bull calf leather, but the interior is made in Italian Napa leather. And I don't know if you can tell the difference in the sheen between this outer leather and the interior, but I wish they would make a bag in this interior Napa leather, because it is the most buttery, smooth, soft leather ever. The quality, honestly, as somebody who has never tried contemporary brands, I'm really impressed. It does also come with a bag strap, and I also always carry this bag with a cadena. If I can find it, here it is. This is my vintage Hermes cadena that I love, and it's just so cute on this bag. I'm gonna put it together to show you how I was wearing it so you guys get an idea of it, and then we'll go into what I keep in this bag, and then we'll do the rest of my haul. I think it's so freaking cute, and the gold tone matches like perfectly too, which is really nice. And I don't know if I'm crazy, but this really reminds me of the Bottega classic bag, I think it's called. It's like the BV classic bag, and I love that bag, but I think this bag really reminds me of that classic bag from Bottega Veneta, just like the leather and also the fact that there's like a geometric circular clasp and the shape in general. I've been reaching for this bag every single time I go out since I got it, and I've been loving it. It's so easy to use and it fits so much. So I'm gonna do a what's in my bag. So here is what I have in my bag. It's just one compartment, but honestly it fits so much, which is crazy. The first thing I have here is my sunglasses. These are my Bottega Veneta sunglasses that I love so much. It's real malachite here, which is so nice. I have like a really big head. Like my head is big everywhere, including the front, the back, the side view, everything. So I feel like this kind of really helps balance out my head shape. And if you notice my eyebrows scabbing, it's because I just had a treatment done on them. But we're not going to talk about that. And then I have, these are my sunglass wipes. Then we have this here is my SD card adapter, so I can upload photos or videos to my phone or my iPad. I have a poop bag for the dogs, not for me. I have a Essie cuticle oil roller, and this stuff is amazing. It smells so good. And I take photos of my hands a lot because for Studio Leva, which is like kind of my passion project, where I design jewelry, I'm my own model, you know, like for my Instagram page and stuff. I always have to like oil my cuticles just before I take photos because my cuticles get so dry and it's so ugly to have like dry cuticles on product photos. And now that we're talking about jewelry, let me just show you guys what I'm wearing. So this is my Ripple Etoile band in 18 karat yellow gold with 6 diamonds, and it's my favorite band ever. I basically wear it as a stand-in for my wedding band now because it just goes so well with other rings. And then I have my Cartier Panthère in the size small with the stainless steel and gold two-tone. My Cartier 4 diamond bangle or bracelet. My dog is having like a bad dream or something. And this is my 3mm lab diamond tennis bracelet with platinum that I made. My earrings are from Bottega Veneta. They're the green leather knot earrings, and my necklace, I don't know if you can see it. Oops. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a French bulldog motif because I have 2 Frenchies. And I modeled it after the Van Cleef motif kind of style, so it has like the purling. It's so cute. I love it. For natural diamond pave in 18 karat gold, the price is 1,600 euros, and for lab diamond pave in 18 karat gold, it is 1,400 euros, and that's including shipping, and you can have rose gold, white gold, or yellow gold. Moving on. I have this, and it says in Japanese, "Kyou nomi ni ika na agimahen nen," and that is so funny because it's a very Kansai dialect, which is where I'm from. I'm from Osaka, and it's basically a supplement if you're gonna be drinking. I do have like a glass or 2 of wine with dinner, and I'm almost 29, so I do get hangovers from that sometimes. And you don't get hungover, and also it kind of helps like it helps you not gain weight from alcohol. I don't know if that's true, but I just take it because it doesn't give me hangovers. And the ingredients are like sunflower oil, pork liver, and a bunch of other plants and stuff. It's basically like Chinese herbal medicine, but Japanese. Hair tie thingy that I can't even use because my hair is so short, so I don't know why it's in there. Then I have bag cleansing wipes because I'm a germaphobe. I am such a germaphobe that if I have to put my bag on a surface that's not in my home, I have to clean it right after because I just feel disgusting about it. I have my face powder compact slash mirror from Clos de Peau. It's a Japanese brand, the best one. And I have a tin of mints because if you take mints instead of gum, you don't have to worry about throwing your gum away. So you just, the mints just dissolve in your mouth. And then I have 2 lip products, and that's all actually. So you can see that there's one like compartment here for like papers or cards, and then it's just one other huge compartment. So I have 2 lip products here, maybe just 1, 2. This one I hate, I don't like it at all. It's a Labello lip balm. Labello is what the German branding is for Nivea lip balm. And I have this, it's my newest thing so far, as in like I bought it 2 days ago. It's the Irresistible lip oil tint thingy in the shade Rose Pitaya. and it tastes and smells like dragon fruit, which usually I would hate. I don't like tropical fruits. I don't like dragon fruit especially. The only tropical fruits I like are pineapple and mango. I have like a trauma response to not pitaya but papaya, because I used to live in Hawaii and my mom used to just cut a huge papaya in half and serve half of it to me as breakfast, but I hate papaya, so I didn't want to eat it, but I have to eat it because if you're not going to eat what you get served in an Asian household, you're going to get slapped. So I hate tropical fruits in general, unless it's like mango or pineapple, which is like the basic tropical fruits. But I like this one for some reason, and the shade is like really natural and nice, so I like that. And yeah, so moving on, I have a belt that I purchased in Hermes also like 2 days ago, and I am that person who has not been able to get a Kelly belt in the last year. I don't know why, but I'm over it. I don't even want it anymore, because when I was in Prague, I saw this belt here, but I saw it in like the silver hardware or palladium hardware, and I fell in love. I love that chain and the dangly thing. I think it's so cute. So I rushed back to Germany into my local boutique and I asked my SA if they had this belt, and they had just one in stock in yellow gold, and I didn't really care which color gold. I wanted just any because I mix my metals anyways, so I purchased this one and I think it's so freaking cute. I have a video on my Instagram of me like unboxing and wearing it, and it's so cute. I don't even want the Kelly belt. I don't know if that's me coping because I haven't been able to like even see a Kelly belt in person in the past year, but I think this one is just so much more timeless and a bit more interesting, you know? Like everyone has a Kelly belt, and maybe it's gonna turn like into the Gucci belt soon where people stop wearing it because it's been like so ubiquitous. So I think this is like a good alternative. And in here I have one unboxed because it was so annoying to open, but I just have a pair of champagne flutes. So this is one of them and the other one is still in the box. It's so stupid to buy champagne flutes, honestly, from Tiffany. There's no branding whatsoever except for here. I don't know if you can see it, but it just says Tiffany & Co. in like the lightest engraving ever. And there's nothing special about it. It wasn't my idea to buy it, honestly. It was my husband's idea, so I just went with it. But yeah, I like drinking Prosecco and champagne, but I've been drinking it from like drinking glasses because I never had like a champagne flute. So now I can drink my champagne or Prosecco out of a proper flute. So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not like that super amazing of a haul like compared to the ones I've done before, but I'm trying to like exercise some self-control in my life. I don't need everything I see, and yeah, but next month it is my birthday month and I should have like at least one haul, right? Because it's my birthday, but I'm not sure. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.